me tell you why you should be buying from Japanese eBay/eBay. One, you're gonna save so much money. Two, you're gonna find vintage pieces that you're never gonna see anymore. All right, so it's 2026 and we're not paying full price for Louis Vuitton. Well, at least I'm not paying full price for Louis Vuitton. I bought my first Louis Vuitton bag in Paris in like 2019. I got a Speedy 25. It's been holding on. It looks great. I feel like I didn't wear it that much in the beginning, but today we are going to unbox, well, I already unboxed this bag because I bought it like 2 months ago. So I'm going to share with you guys my Louis Vuitton duffel bag. I got it in a size 60. So here it goes. Now, the bag was packaged pretty good. It did not come with a dust bag. I might try to buy a dust bag from Japanese eBay or even like a dust bag from Amazon. But here is the bag. Okay, now, when I got the 60, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so big. I took it on the plane and I felt like it, first of all, this bag will not go under the seat. It goes in the overhead bin, but sometimes they like to say, oh, who wants to check their bags in? Or they'll start making people check like larger bags in. I'm not checking this in. I don't care if I pay like way under the price, but I'm just not checking in my carry-on bags. I'm sorry. But here's the bag. It is in excellent condition. Like, the condition was so good. Like, it was too good to be true. So here is the bag. I did get like a little charm to put on it. Handles look good. The bottom has no scuffs. It did come with a strap. I was thinking about getting this bag hot stamped, like I got my Speedy 25. But I don't know, just in case I'm like over this bag, I feel like it would be hard to sell if it's hot stamped. It has a little tab. Like, you guys, this bag is in great condition. Okay, here's the inside of the bag. You guys, I did take this bag to San Diego last month, and I still have some things in here, like a pair of socks, hand sanitizer. I got this little bag that I like put things in. I got a tripod in here still. What else is in here? Claw clip. I also want to share with you guys somebody I started following on YouTube. She posts a lot of pre-loved luxury bags. I'm about to find her name right now because your girl is killing it. Like, she's finding so many beautiful things. So I just wanted to shout her out. Clean Girl Podcast. This is her channel. Hopefully you can see that. She posts a lot of pre-loved luxury bags from Japanese eBay. So I had to shout my girl out because I am always watching her videos and she really finds like the best pieces for really great prices. So follow her on YouTube if you haven't seen any of her videos. Yeah, so let's talk about price points. Now, I really didn't want to share the price point of this bag because it was a little pricey for me. So I went and compared to buy a brand new bag and a pre-loved bag. You guys, I got this duffel for, drum roll please, I got this bag for $6.50. And you know what I did? Because I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of cheap. Well, I did like a campaign for this brand, UGC. And I took the money from that brand and it paid for half this bag. So I think I only paid like $300. So here's my Speedy 25. I still have the dust bag. She's in great shape. So now we have 2 bags. So that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you are looking for luxury bags for a great price, I strongly recommend Japanese eBay in general. I will link down some stores below where I like to look for different things. But you guys, there's so many brands and stores on eBay. Like, you will literally be scrolling for days. So the first bag I bought from Japanese eBay was like a little Gucci shoulder bag, and that was like, the price on that was insane. I'll probably put a picture somewhere, and I do have a video about that if you guys want to see that. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.